hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system is the way the hypothalamus and anterior pituitary communicate, ensuring that both releasing and inhibiting hormones reach their target tissues before circulation throughout the rest of the body. The hypothalamus is located in the diencephalon portion of the brain and secretes regulatory and inhibiting hormones to the anterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary, or adenohypophysis, is one of the two sections of the pituitary gland. Once the hypothalamus becomes stimulated, the hypothalamic neurons secrete the inhibitory or regulatory hormones into the primary capillary plexus, also known as a capillary bed. The plexus connects to the portal veins, which are the direct pathways hormones travel through to reach the adenohypophysis. Once in the adenohypophysis, the gland secretes the appropriate releasing or inhibiting hormone as told by the hypothalamus. If the hormone is of the releasing type, it will be secreted into the second capillary bed and then make its way into the general circulation. The hypothalamus releases many different releasing and inhibiting hormones. One of them is called thyrotropin-releasing hormone. Thyrotropin-releasing hormone targets the anterior pituitary, which in turn stimulates thyroid-stimulating hormone. Thyroid-stimulating hormone stimulates the release of thyroid hormone in the thyroid gland, also called T3 and T4. T3 and T4 are very important hormones that play key roles in metabolism. Another hormone released by the hypothalamus is gonadotropin-releasing hormone. Gonadotropin-releasing hormone stimulates the anterior pituitary to release both follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Both of these hormones target the gonads of males and females, the testes and ovaries. Both follicle-stimulating and luteinizing hormones work together to promote the secretion of estrogen. Along with estrogen, luteinizing hormone promotes the ovaries to secrete progesterone, both of which are essential to prepare the female body for pregnancy. Luteinizing hormone in males causes the release of the male sex hormone androgen. An example of an androgen is testosterone, which is found in females as well, but in very small amounts. The third hormone released by the hypothalamus is corticotropic-releasing hormone, which stimulates the release of adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone stimulates the adrenal cortex. The adrenal cortex is the outermost area of the adrenal gland and consists of three zones: zona glomerulosa, zona reticularis, and zona fasciculata. The zona fasciculata releases the hormone called cortisol, which functions in blood sugar regulation and can also be released during times of stress. Negative feedback systems are almost always a positive situation. Once a hormone level in the body is too high or too low, the system is signaled to either release or inhibit a particular hormone until the levels remain stable. For example, when blood sugar levels are too high, insulin is released by the pancreas to reduce the level of sugar in the blood. Once the levels are at a normal level, the release of insulin is stopped. Thank you for listening to my model project demonstrating the hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system and associated hormones.